Hi guys. In today's video we are going to show you some of the best dash cams of 2023. I've included the links in the description box below. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First one is Nextbase 622 gigawatts. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts is a new flagship dash cam, and it's proven itself as the best dash cam you can buy right now. When we chose to shoot in 4K/30p, the resulting footage looked almost cinematic in its presentation, with extremely crisp definition and great detail, even in poor lighting. This makes it much easier to pinpoint registration numbers or pick out hard-to-see elements of an accident. A built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, while digital image stabilization is another first for the dash cam market and helps smooth out those bumps and shakes caused by potholes and poor road surfaces. Like its 522 gigawatt sibling, this model can be controlled via your voice with Alexa skills, but it requires the accompanying smartphone app to work, which we didn't rate as the best we've tried. Despite new dual 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, we found that it still had trouble connecting with phones to transfer images and video clips. Thankfully, the 3-inch rear touchscreen is crisp, clear, and very easy to use, while the inclusion of what 3 words combines well with Nextbase emergency SOS feature, which you get a year's free subscription for with this dash cam. Next one is Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is a tiny dash cam that all but disappears behind your car's rear view mirror, yet boasts full HD video with HDR, voice control that actually works reliably, a decent smartphone app, and a dead simple magnetic mounting system. We found video quality to be good for the size of the camera. It records in full HD, 30 frames per second with HDR, and produces footage that is sharp enough to pick out key details like registration plates, whatever the ambient light and weather conditions. At 140 degrees, the lens field of view isn't the widest on the market, but still provides a good view of the road ahead. There's a button for quickly saving a portion of video, and voice controls for functions like taking a photo or turning audio recording on and off work surprisingly well. Due to the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2's compact size, it does not have a display. Instead, you need to use the smartphone app to check the camera's view and access recordings. It also misses out on GPS, which is a shame, but this is arguably the only major feature missing here. Unless you need the best dash cam with driver assistance functions like speed camera alerts, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 will leave you wanting for very little. Simple, subtle, and reliable. It's the definition of set and forget technology. Next one is Nexar Pro. Aimed at those who spend extended periods behind the wheel, the Nexar Pro is a dual cam solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle. Comprised of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, we found the setup to be pretty neat, even if it took up a fair bit of screen real estate. The Nexar app is central to the twin camera experience. It's where you can fine-tune settings, generate incident reports, and back recorded clips up to the cloud. Other useful tools include break-in alerts if someone tries to tamper with your car, as well as GPS data logging. This dash cam doesn't record in 4K, but we found its 1080p video to be perfectly serviceable. The external camera fares well even in tricky shooting situations, from heavy rain to bright sunshine. There are cheaper dash cams out there with fewer features to play with, but if the security of your car is crucial to your daily life, the Pro is hard to beat in terms of protection and overall value. Next one is Vantrue E1. Neatly designed and relatively compact, the Vantrue E1 is an attractive dash cam that's capable of recording 2.5K video at 30 frames per second. It can also capture full HD footage at a smoother 60 frames per second, for additional detail while you drive. Results are sharp night and day, with accurate colors and acceptable noise in low light. Our testing revealed that the optional polarizing filter reduces dashboard reflections. The E1's magnetic mount works well, but the lack of sideways adjustments limits its use if you can't fit it centrally. If you can, you'll find its 160-degree angle captures a wide view of what's ahead. A tiny 1.54-inch screen offers a handy preview when installing, but the smartphone app is more useful to tweak settings. Driver assistance is left to your vehicle, but the E1 still has a solid set of features. That includes GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a remote for wirelessly saving footage. Last one is Thinkware X1000. Capable yet accessible, Thinkware's X1000 comes bundled with everything you need to record front and rear. Our tests found a lot to like about the X1000. Its best attribute is its ease of use. With a large 3.5-inch touchscreen and icon-based interface, it's simple to configure. It can also work standalone, without a partner app. Both cameras offer a 2560 by 1440 resolution and a wide 156-degree field of view. We found that footage was dependably impressive, with plenty of detail and decent dynamic range, even in dim and dark conditions. You will need to hardwire it for the full set of features, including parking surveillance. In testing, fitting the cabling required care, but wasn't too difficult for a novice. There's no Wi-Fi for cloud backups, while GPS requires an optional accessory, as does radar detection. But if you're looking for a stress-free and reliable dash cam, the X1000 does much to impress. So, that's all about the video. I hope that you guys like the video. See you guys next time.